In the legal world, time is money and efficiency is critical. With an ever-increasing reliance on digital tools for case management, client communication and research, law firms must ensure that their IT systems are effective and secure. This is where Impressit Solutions steps in, offering comprehensive IT managed services tailored to the unique needs of legal firms in Houston. So why are IT managed services vital for law firms? First off, data security and confidentiality. Lawyers handle confidential information daily, from sensitive client details to intellectual property. Protecting this data is non-negotiable. Impressit Solutions provides advanced cybersecurity measures, ensuring all sensitive data is encrypted and stored securely. Next, compliance with legal regulations. Legal firms are subject to strict data protection and privacy regulations. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and a loss of clients' trust. With Impressit Solutions, your IT systems will meet all necessary compliance standards. And we can't forget 24/7 monitoring and support. Legal matters don't follow a 9-to-5 schedule, and neither should your IT services. Impressit Solutions provides round-the-clock monitoring and support, ensuring your systems are always online and secure. Whether it's a late-night case update or an urgent client request, our team is available to assist whenever you need it. And minimized downtime is also a big deal for legal professionals. Every minute of downtime translates into missed deadlines and lost billable hours. Our managed IT services include proactive monitoring and rapid response to minimize disruptions. This ensures your systems are always up and running so you can focus on your clients and cases. As your law firm grows, so do your IT needs. Impressit Solutions offers scalable IT solutions that grow with your business, ensuring your technology infrastructure can support your firm's expanding caseload and client base. Whether you're adding new employees, opening new offices, or adopting new technologies, we've got you covered. So, why do Houston law firms trust Impressit Solutions? We understand the unique IT challenges that legal professionals face and offer tailored solutions to meet those needs. We take a proactive approach to IT management, ensuring your systems are always secure and optimized for performance. We value long-term relationships with our clients and are committed to delivering personalized service that aligns with your firm's goals. And being based in Houston, we are always available to provide in-person support when needed. In today's fast-paced legal environment, law firms can't afford to be slowed down by IT issues or security risks. Impressit Solutions provides comprehensive IT managed services that allow attorneys to focus on their cases, clients, and growth without worrying about technology. Contact us today to learn more about how Impressit Solutions can support your law firm's technology needs and help you stay ahead in the legal world.